Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shanada and I review beauty products, makeup and skincare, all cruelty free of course. I do shopping hauls, etc. But I know I have not been very active in a while. In fact, I think this is my first upload for 2022 for reasons I'll get into very soon. But I have no script here. I'm just like making this video very impromptu, and I wanted to explain why I've been gone for like 3 months on YouTube. So yeah, if you want to know why, then keep on watching. So let me just first start off by saying Happy New Year. I know I'm like late, but better late than never. I do hope you guys are all well. I know I still keep in contact with most of you all on my other socials like TikTok and Instagram, so I'm very grateful for those platforms. But I did miss my YouTube fam. I know I have some fam here that are just dedicated to YouTube, and I genuinely missed you all. So why I've been gone? Honestly, it's not like I didn't plan on returning or anything. I didn't even plan to take this hiatus, if you want to call it that. But when my best friend was here in December, and you know, Candace, if you watch this, I'm not blaming you, but when she was here for Christmas, like I spent most of January with them, it really puts me in a kind of zone. Oh God, don't cry. When my friends leave, so I'm gonna try to keep it together, right? But basically, when we all go back to our lives, I just really miss them, and it just has me thinking about a lot of things even in my life. Oh, this is harder than I thought. So naturally, I did have a lot of reevaluating to do and just think about things in my life that I want, and I'm still not there yet. Like, I genuinely don't know about some areas in my life, but I know that I'm happy with what I'm doing, so I'm sticking to this and I'm dedicating more of my time to this, and hopefully next time my best friend comes, I can keep her here forever. Another major factor for me was my health. It still is my health. I have mentioned it before that I do have endometriosis, and I was supposed to have surgery in 2020, but they canceled it due to the pandemic, and I've never went back. I never went back for an appointment to reschedule surgery, nothing. I just kind of left it there because honestly I am terrified. You all know I'm a germaphobe, and after getting COVID in 2021, I am genuinely terrified of getting back that, and I can't picture myself walking into a hospital anytime soon. So that's why I never went back to my clinic. I was part of the Mount Hope Women's Clinic, so I just never went back, and I feel like I'm paying for it now, because for the last couple of months, especially like from the last quarter of 2021 to now, I don't just get pain during my period, which is like prime endometriosis pain. Not anymore. For me, it's every day. It's a constant thing. It's a chronic illness, so it's just ongoing pain no matter what. Like, it's mainly on my left side, like my lower left side of my belly or pelvis area. Pelvic, you all know what I'm talking about. So I just have to kind of like lift that area all of the time to get some kind of relief. It's the weirdest things. I was told that I have endometrium the size of like a small grapefruit, which is huge to think that that is inside of me. But I don't know, I don't want to go into too much detail, but I don't know if that's a journey you all would want me to vlog. I mean, I don't know how much of it I will be mentally able to vlog, because it is something difficult to go through. I am in my 30s and I've accepted the fact that I may never have children, and that's fine, but it's still a lot to go through. Surgery is a very heavy thing. But if that is something you're all interested in, like me talking more about my endometriosis journey, please, you know, sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if you all want me to talk and vlog about this some more, because I do plan on at least restarting the process this year, hopefully by next month or somewhere April. I do hope to visit a doctor. I will be going private this time. I am still afraid to go to Mount Hope or any public hospital, but it's gonna take a lot of money. I have to save and all of that, and thank God I have my parents and my family to help me. But I want to start back that process of going back to the doctor if I have to run new tests, figure out what's going on, because the doctor I had before I joined Mount Hope Clinic, she was very pushy with the surgery, and I didn't like that vibe. Like, I know, yes, I have endometriosis, I have to do the surgeries, but at the same time it was just more like I didn't feel that connection with her. And strangely enough, when I went to Mount Hope Clinic, it was a male gynecologist, and I was, you're in a clinic, so you really just dealt with whoever you get. You can't pick and choose which doctor you want. So I was kind of uncomfortable, like, the first meeting, but he was very gentle, and there was a female nurse in the office, like, at all times. So it was like, kind of okay. But I genuinely prefer a female gynecologist, so this is one of the main reasons too why I want to go private. So I'm hoping again, like, next month, maybe even May, somewhere there, to start back this process of trying to figure out what's going on and how we can go about just getting me some relief, because it's very uncomfortable. I can't sit for very long. I sometimes can't lie down properly. It's just constant pain, and it's frustrating. My clothes, like, everything is just, it can't fit properly, because it's not like I'm gaining weight. In fact, I'm losing weight, but in this particular area it's just always bloated. I don't know if you all know what it feels like to be constantly bloated. They actually call it endo bloat, because it's such a real thing for people, well, for women with endometriosis. This is just suffering on a whole new level. And I'm not trying to make you all feel sorry for me or anything, just trying to let you all understand what it is my body is going through right now. It's very difficult, and it's been taking a toll on me mentally. Despite all the physical trouble that I have, mentally it's just frustrated. And I know a big question you all might ask is that, okay, but you're still posting on your other socials, how come you're not posting on YouTube? Well, the short fact is that there's a lot of production that goes into a YouTube video, at least for me as a creator. And I was just, again, I was in so much pain. I didn't have the physical capacity to, like, sit for hours, record a video, and then sit for more hours to edit it. Hold on, Ashes want to say hi. You want to say hello to your friends? You didn't shoot them in so long. Oh gosh, hold on, let me just give it a little love up. Right, as I was saying, so with TikTok and Instagram, it's a lot less work. I mean, it's still work, but it's just not as, like, time consuming compared to creating or producing a YouTube video. And you all know I never just want to put out a video for putting out a video's sake. I want to sit and be comfortable and happy and bubbly and just genuinely share my love for beauty content on YouTube with y'all. But I just was not in that space to do it for YouTube. With TikTok, it's just so quick, and everything is in-app. So it's in-app editing. It's so fast. Like, I can put out a TikTok video within like an hour doing my makeup, editing, that kind of thing. It's so easy. Even with Instagram, like, I always repurpose, I try to repurpose, like, my TikToks into reels and that kind of thing. So it's just much easier on those two platforms. Not to mention the fact that this is like a full-time job for me, because I'm a full-time content creator. I not only create content for myself, sometimes I create content for brands that they pay me to create. So it's a financial aspect too. I have been doing pretty well on TikTok and Instagram recently, so like my following has been growing and everything, and I'm so appreciative. Honestly, I'm still surprised to this day, but I'm very appreciative of the support that I have on those platforms as well. And I'm seeing some how to put it, I'm seeing some money coming in. That's the best way I could put it. by, you know, advertising for brands, doing promos and that kind of thing. With YouTube, it's a lot more difficult, at least for a small creator like me, to get the views that I feel a brand is worth getting. Like my TikTok views, in fact, I would get, you know, so much views, and like I would help brands sell out on their products and that kind of thing, and the brands are always so grateful. And with YouTube, as much as like it pushes out the content, it's not as the algorithm here on YouTube is just not as favorable compared to TikTok and even Instagram lately. When it comes to sponsored content, I feel more comfortable sharing it on those platforms. I recently got like 45,000 views on one of my YouTube videos. I was so surprised, but it was a YouTube short, so it was like less than a minute, and I was just like, none of my other videos that I've ever created ever, you know, reached that far. I think the most I had was maybe like 4,000 or 5,000 videos on one of views, on one of my regular videos, like a beauty video, but nothing in the range of 45,000. So yes, I did celebrate that little one by myself, but it just, you know, went to show me that these shorter videos are getting the views and the results that I am genuinely looking for right now. So yeah, that even deterred me even more from wanting to create these long beauty videos. But I also need to get feedback from y'all. Like, do you still want to see this type of like beauty related content? Well, I know y'all always want to see hauls, and by the way, it's for a haul coming up, so look out. But let me know if y'all still want to see like tutorials and that kind of thing. But I feel like there's a change in my content coming really soon, and it might be like more health and like lifestyle, that kind of thing. Still have some beauty sprinkled in there, of course, but I don't know, I'm just going with the flow right now. But to be 100% transparent, I really did enjoy the time away from YouTube. Not that I didn't miss y'all or anything like that, I feel like I really needed to step back, because I was pushing 2 videos a week, and I didn't realize like how much time those 2 videos were taking up to create, edit, get it out, and, you know, do TikTok, which I post like 3 to 5 times a day, which in itself is super crazy, and Instagram almost daily. It was becoming too much, and I feel like I was doing it because like I just like I had deadlines and that kind of thing, and I never want my content creation to like fall under that category. I always want it to be fun and bright, and because I want to do this, I want to post this. And yeah, that's why I said I will be coming back with 1 video like a week on YouTube. It may not sound like a lot, but I'll make sure it's like quality content, of course. But yeah, I just really needed to step back and just take care of my mental and physical health as best as I could. And for me, that involved just taking a break from the platform that took up most of my time, which is YouTube. But as I'm starting to feel a lot better and like kind of like back to myself and that kind of thing, I think I'm ready to start back filming YouTube videos. And I hope you guys, you know, welcome me back with open arms. Please don't unsubscribe. I am here, so we are going to have as much fun as we can. Sound off any comment down below. I would just love to hear from you all, and let me know what content ideas you have. What do you want me to do? Let me know, because this is like all your platform too, so all you have to tell me what's all you want, right? And with all of that being said, I do hope you guys understand why I needed to take this little break, and I can't wait to see y'all in my future videos. So you guys make sure and take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.